Hello traders, I am speaking. Today again I want to show you the latest version, final version of Turbo Plus version 3. First version I released about 3 years ago, and this is the latest one. I just want to repeat one more time the rules, because to some of you it's not clear about how to use it, about the arrows, when to use it, what is white arrow meaning, is it repainting, and so many things. I will explain it on M1, but later we'll go to higher time frames, because I today want to show you especially how it works for Forex later. But if you want to use for binary, you will use M1, M5, and 15. With M1, 5 minutes expiry, and with M5, 30 minutes, and with with M15, 60 minutes expiry. So how to use it? The latest signal was here. So we have two arrows. White arrow is, as it shows, alert signal. So you will not take a trade with white arrow. Only when you get pink arrow after the white arrow. It shouldn't be after one candle. It can be after 2 or 3 candles, or 4. Then you see only another confirmation. You see if the HMA line change the color to green, so up for buy, up, green. Then you take 5 minutes trade. So from here, somewhere for here, you will take 5 minutes trade. You see 5 minutes. It is in the money. So white arrow can repaint in the way that it shows. Maybe you will see 1, and then 2nd, and then 3rd maybe. But this is all the warnings, alerts that non-stop inform you that possible change of direction is possible. So you just prepare yourself, your broker. You do not trade with white, and you do not care if it is maybe 2 or 3 in a row. You will take trade only with pink arrow and confirmed with this line, and these two are not repainted. So that's what you have. When to take a signal. The pink arrow you will get at the current candle, so not on the next, on the current. Sometimes at the open, sometimes at the middle of the candle. You will not take trade immediately. You will take trade at the open of the next candle. So you will wait that this expire, this candle, let's say, and then open here at the very open of this, but only if you have this confirmed with this. So you must have 2 confirmation, pink, and then this must be green going up. Let's see another case. Here you see white arrow, but you do not trade. Then wait, and then you will get pink, and then you can take a trade. If you get arrow at the open, very open of the candle, you can take immediately maybe the trade. But if not, you will wait for the open of the next candle, and from here you will take 5 minutes expiry. So many of these cases. Also, if you like Forex trading, you can use M1 for Forex, but it will be very small number of pips. So here if you take from here, you will earn 13 pips, or here, let's see, you will take the trade, you will keep the trade open until you see white arrow. In that moment you will close the trade and you will earn 12 pips. So you see, now we get warning signal, but we are not going to trade. We are waiting for a pink arrow. If we get one, I will show you how to trade. So for now, even this is blue, it is okay. So it is not repainting. It only repaints in current moment, now in this second or two, but after it will never remove or change the color. So now we are waiting for the pink arrow to be open, maybe. Let's see, maybe. Or maybe we'll get another white to alert us again that the possible trade is very close. I personally do not like on M1 to trade this. It's, 60 seconds candles are too unstable. It's quick movements, not expected. You never know where it goes. So if you need to trade with M1, okay, but at least take M5. You see, we get the arrow now. We get the arrow. So now the arrow came, let's say, in the middle of the time. So we are waiting now for the next candle to be opened. And then we'll take trade. If you see, this must be blue. Now it's green, blue. It's changing. It's, it's not 100% decided. So now, for now, it's very good. Blue, 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 blue. So pink arrow come on the current candle always. Sometimes at the beginning, sometimes not. So we are waiting for the next candle. Yes, here we would take the trade now. You see, all confirmed, and we can take a trade now for binary for 5 minutes, or for Forex. We will keep the trade until the next white arrow, white, not pink. So until it is trading here, I want to show you how I prefer to use. I do not trade so much binary. I'm mostly trading Forex, and for Forex the best results are on higher time frames, as H4 daily or minimum 1 hour time frame. So let's go. Oh, I just want to show that it works on all assets. You can use it on all assets like stocks, commodities, indices, Forex, cryptocurrencies. So this is a 4-hour time frame on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, you see here, if you have traded here the Bitcoin with this system, and you will keep it until the next white arrow, and you see how many pips you will earn. You will earn 2,120 pips. 2,000 pips. Or from here you see fantastic setup. 1,000 pips. And still now we have one trade running. It is open still, valid trade. Or you can use it on a 1 hour time frame. The latest one is was here. So you will take a trade from here, and until here you earn 169 pips. And we have one trade open. It is a valid trade. We have white arrow, we get pink, this is green, and somewhere here we'll take trade on that candle. But it's a lot of time until expiry. It is 4 hours. 4 hours here with Euro USD. The latest one, which will be closed now, is from here to here, 170 pips. Or here. So the rules, you must only obey the rules. Another 4 hours also okay. So see the last one. Let's say it will take it from here for the next candle until here, 530 pips. Daily on the gold. Gold is very good to trade along. So you see the trade here, until white arrow. You see 953 pips. Or GBP USD, you see fantastic two setups. Or GBP Canadian. Oh, yes, this is situation. What I was explaining before with this one minute time frame. You see, we have 3 in a row, but who cares about it? Why do you mind? It is not problem if you have 3, even 5, because we do not trade white arrows. It is just a warning signal. We are waiting for pink. Here we have obviously very strong downtrend, and software are warning us that it is possible change of trend, but it's still not. The bears are still not too strong to take the power to go up. The bulls, sorry. So the buyers are not so strong even, but we have here the warning signals, but we will not trade it. But see, only with this how nice profit we could make. See, 1,500 pips here, or until the white arrow, always 1,200 pips, and the latest one almost 800. So almost 400 pips with one on the daily chart. Then Euro USD, the same. You see, we get arrow, and it is a valid trade. You see, now it is a valid trade. You see this? We have take trade here. Let's see, we have take trade here at the very open of this. You see, we get signal here and wait for the open of this, and now we'll finish in the money with 5 minutes expiry. Only more 5 seconds, I hope. Yes, it was not so big winning, but it was winning. 5 minutes expiry from here, we are in the money. For Forex scalping, you can scalp with M1 to have many trades, but you will make maybe 5-10 pips per trade. But okay, many trades, many pips. You can easily make a few hundred pips per day. You see how it goes down. The trend is changing. The arrows were very good sign. This is prepare alert, and this is a real trading arrow. So guys, what to say? This is a very good system, but you must use it properly according to the rules I explained. Please, if you will have any information needed, or you want to buy maybe this fantastic software, please only contact me on my email below, not sending messages around Facebook or I don't know where. My mail is binarytools777@gmail.com, and you see, if we trade now Forex, for now we'll have about 7 pips, but we will not exit the trade when to exit the trade when we get next white arrow here. You see? So this is our sign. This is your stop loss. Take profit, sorry. This is your take profit. And you see how fantastic it works. Even though I will never use M1, I prefer higher time frames or maybe M15 for binary, let's say. But then 1 hour expired. You see for now, see how many pips scalping. We for now have almost 7 pips. So, and we'll keep it because this arrow will warn us if the trend or direction changing is very, very close. So you do not close your trade until you get this. This is your security, let's say, sign, which will alert you when to exit the trade. You see, still going down. So now, but you always can close your trade if you are satisfied, let's say with 11 pips. You can close your trade whenever you want. It's up to you. But this is scalping. So this is good strategy. This is not repenting strategy except these white arrows, which gives you the opportunity to trade both binary and Forex. You can trade it on all time frames and with all possible assets you like. From gold, from stocks, from Forex, from cryptocurrencies, from, I don't know, anything you like. Just follow strictly the rules as I explained here and you will not have problem. Now you must exit the trade here. You see? This is the sign. So here, guys, here, 12 pips, you will exit the trade. Guys, I hope I explained it much better. And now you will see and understand how to use it in the best way. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.